Okay, here we have the iPad running Lima with a single fader object. You can see the fader is mapped to a channel fader in Reaper, and there are some value readouts. The one at the top here is the current fader position, which is called fader.x. The one below that is the current saved value, which is called savedx. And there are two buttons, one marked preset and one marked save, each with a value readout next to them, which is currently 0, and you can see if I push the button it changes to 1, and we're going to use that value as the button state to trigger the script. So looking at the script here, we can see that at the top it says execution on expression X, and this script lives inside the preset button. So what this execution command at the top here says, when the button is pressed, then run the script. And the trigger indicator on the right hand side here says, when the value goes from 0 to positive, run the script. And that just stops the script from running when we let go of the button as well. It's a very simple conditional statement. So you can see first of all here it says if the saved button is equal to 0, in other words if the saved button is not currently pressed, then fader.x should be set to savedx. In other words, whatever the saved value is, in this case it's 0, when you press the button, if the saved button isn't pressed, then recall the saved value, like so. And the second half of the script says if the save button is pressed, then the saved value should be set to, and it says here F, which is just shorthand for the current fader position. So if I set the fader position to be somewhere else, so 99 in this case, hold the save button and press the preset button, the saved value is updated. So it's a simple save and recall system that allows us to use the preset button to recall a value and hold the save button and press the preset button to store that value to recall as we wish.